Arts Workfly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Art Workfly, and in this video here I will be showing you a movie clipping on how depressed and sad and hurt young lady use art to navigate through her situations that she was going through. Now mind you, I will have to stop the video at each intervals and talk to prevent from getting copyright. So I do apologize from now. I'm not sure how other YouTubers do it in terms of playing out the whole movie without getting copyright, but as for me, Puss and Dog have the same look. So I am going to stop it at each intervals and talk for a while or do a voiceover, okay? So I apologize from now. With that said, Arts Workfly.
Hi everybody, welcome to Art, the only class that will teach you how to survive. This is where you can find your soul, if you dare. Don't ask me to show you how to draw a face. Ask me to help you find the wind.
If you're a teacher watching, have you ever told something corny like that? Probably it's not corny to you if you're doing it, but have you ever done something like that before about helping you find a wind or something like that? Let me know in the comments down below.
Good, right, that's good. Can you tell me what you're feeling right now? Okay, can anybody tell me what they're actually feeling right now? Does algebra move you to tears? Are numbers and words more important than images? Can anybody tell me what this is?
A globe?
Globe. God. Well, you guys, 13, 14, you've already let them beat the creativity out of you? I mean, you could paint a wet-muzzled dog chewing Alaska, right? I mean, the possibilities are endless.
In the comments down below, tell me if this reminds you of the CSEC visual arts regarding the theme.
Alright, so here you go. In here is a piece of paper. Great. And on that piece of paper is a word. You're going to spend the rest of the year turning that object into art.
Isn't it similar, guys? One of the only difference is that it's 3 years for us.
Mr. Freeman? Mm-hmm. When I was little, I was really scared of clowns, and I don't want to relapse and have to go back into therapy.
Oh, yeah. Well, fear is a great place to begin art.
Art is definitely a place where you can express yourself and get rid of your fears. Students nowadays, they make excuses for everything.
Hey! Whoa! You just chose your destiny. You can't change that.
I learned how to draw a tree in like the 2nd grade.
Oh, really? Well, you want to show me? It's okay. I won't grade you.
I had students coming to me thinking that they are Pablo Picasso or Leonardo da Vinci. But when they start to draw, it's a total different thing. They probably can express themselves in another different way, but based on what they have shown, you can see that they need much more development. And even teachers need much more development. We can always develop our skills. If you haven't subscribed as yet, take the time now to subscribe, like, and comment.
That's a pretty good start. Yeah, let's see what it looks like at the end of the year, huh? Yo, fresh meat. What? Can't I say hello?
Okay, so she's running away from the teacher. I don't remember why. You can watch the movie. And because she ran away from the teacher, she found this room. Now that room is basically going to be her safe haven along with the art room. So now she is basically going to decorate that room with stuff that she has.
Hey, you're the tree. You can eat lunch in here if you want. It's against school rules, but I'm kind of a rebel, so.
Alright, so look at this, guys. In high school, art was a bit of a safe haven for me. I would go to the visual arts room during the lunchtime period and work on either SBAs or work on pieces or incomplete art projects that was given in class. So I enjoyed that. I found peace in visual arts when I was in high school, and whatever happened in visual arts stayed in visual arts.
Comment down below and tell me your favorite memories about visual arts, or the things that you usually do in visual arts that you're not supposed to do.
It's not a place, man. Okay, the rule is if you're gonna be in here, you gotta be working, so. Choose your weapon. Do something. Anything. Hey, does this inspire you? No? What are you doing? No! You gotta give things a chance.
I tell my students, do not throw away your processes. Keep them in your journal. So the teacher is giving the young lady another paper to draw what she feels or draw her theme. What you can also do is to create a concept map and develop your theme from there if you don't know what to do.
Just do it. I'm the teacher. And you picture a tree, any tree. There it is. It's burned in your retina. Got it? Do it.
So at this point, she chose to use a different material to represent her theme, tree or trees.
Hey Dan, good stuff. Yes, you are on fire, Melinda. Yes, you are the bird. Hey, sacrifice yourself to abandon family values and canned yams. This is wonderful. But keep thinking tree.
Brush strokes on a canvas bright, colors blend in morning light, dreams take flight.
Where's the tree?
It's firewood. Get it?
You can do better than that.
So tell me, if every art room doesn't have a box like this with straps for still life, etc., it's not an art room.
Every try, spread your wings, let's reach the sky. Sketches turn to masterpieces. In your hands, the magic.
It's scary. Like, in a weird way, not clown scary. How do I say this? It's like you don't want to look at it for too long.
Excellent. This is excellent. What does this say to you? Do you want me to tell you what I see? Alright. I see a girl caught in the remains of a holiday gone bad. Her flesh picked off day after day. The palm tree might be like a broken dream. I don't know. It definitely has meaning. A lot of pain. It's good.
You see how she looked at the art teacher? Basically, the art teacher hit the nail on the head only just by reading her art piece. So she is in her class again and she's working on another art piece when this happens.
I guess you all must be bad students. Because apparently I gave away too many A's last trimester. Has anybody in here learned anything? They cut my budget in half because art isn't important, see? And then I get reamed for grade inflation?
I feel like this situation does happen in some schools, but you can let me know in the comments down below. But look at how the art teacher gets to work on his piece while in class. It's very rare. It's very rare.
Look, I need to be alone. alone. I'm glad you're so enthusiastic. I just need some space.
Sometimes our teacher do need space and time away from students to think. We are thinkers. She spends her time in the visual arts room painting, drawing, etc. And that is a good place to start to express yourself if you don't feel like speaking.
I'm glad you're here.
Well, thanks for everything, Mr. F. I really hope I make enough money so I can afford one of your paintings.
Yeah, all right. Go on. All right, go on. Have fun. Make the world a better place.
You're leaving?
I like to swear, play music. I hate giving grades.
Is it only me, or is there any other art teacher that feels the same way sometimes when that time comes around at the end of the month where you have to be creating papers or adjusting papers for end of month tests or exam or something like that?
Have a nice life.
I'm here if you want to talk. Even if I'm not, here.
Can I show you something?
Sketches turn to masterpieces. In your hands the magic ceases. Every line and every curve gives your art the shape it deserves. Sketches turn to masterpieces. In your hands the magic ceases. Every line and every curve gives your art the shape it deserves. Fly with art up to the sky. With each creation we can try. Success in every hue and cry. Together we are artwork fly. Hands that guide and hearts that feel.
Alright guys, so obviously I'm not going to tell you the plot of the story or spoil the movie for some persons who want to watch the movie, so you can go ahead and still watch the movie. What I did was to only pull the art tips from it for you to understand how the girl uses art to express herself, to cope with the situation she was having, and how the visual arts teacher felt down, but with only one student he felt like he did something right. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and I hope you love the movie. I hope you guys get the chance to watch the movie, and thank you guys again. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.